How has a small, privately held media and AI technology company in Metro Vancouver grown its IP and digital assets to over $30 million in just a decade from ground zero? To answer that, let's roll back to their humble beginnings. The journey wasn't always smooth sailing. They faced a myriad of challenges, from financial constraints to technological hurdles. But what set them apart was their resolve to overcome these obstacles, their unwavering commitment to fiscal restraint, and their dedication to building a solid foundation for longevity. Their digital works, be it media or AI technology, have been viewed by billions worldwide, yet the creators remained in the shadows. This anonymity was not an oversight, but a strategic move. Operating in stealth mode allowed them to bring in revenue through licensing a small fraction of their IP and digital catalog to other major players in the news, media, and technology sectors. This stealth mode operation allowed them to bring in revenue through licensing a small fraction of their IP and digital catalog to other major players in the news, media, and technology sectors. As revenues streamed in, the company keenly observed the industry, learning from the successes and failures of other players. They noticed significant gaps in the field, areas where innovation was needed but lacking. ProPics Canada Media Technology saw this as an opportunity, positioning themselves to fill these gaps with their unique blend of media and AI technology. Looking ahead, they've crafted a meticulously controlled plan for the future. The next 18 to 24 months will see an aggressive expansion of their foundation. The goal? To take ProPics Canada Media and Technology into the everyday lives of people across the globe. This expansion isn't about disruption or takeover, rather it's about filling gaps, contributing to other corporations, and enhancing media and AI across all segments. This careful strategy will transition the company from a quiet, controlled private entity to a major international player with worldwide brand recognition. The watchword? Empowerment. Empowering others to find their place in technology advancements and media utilization. ProPics Canada Media and Technology is not in the business of disruption, but rather seeks to fill gaps and contribute to other corporations, making media and AI better for every platform and integration. This company's vision for the future is not just about expanding its own horizons, but rather empowering others to find their place in the rapidly evolving world of technological advancements and media utilization. They are committed to helping people around the globe understand how to leverage technology providers for higher impact and returns in their respective industry segments. They've got an ambitious plan for the next 2 years, eyeing a very aggressive expansion that could skyrocket the company's valuation to over $100 million by the third quarter of 2025. As the company moves forward, it plans to reserve a segment of the investment value for small individual private investors, ensuring that the opportunity to participate in this exciting journey is not exclusive to major names. To discuss investment opportunities, or to learn more about the company's exciting past and future, feel free to reach out.